Hello guys, good morning, happy Monday. I'm on the way to my training today. I'm late. I'm lazy to get up early. My body is aching and tired. Because I did not sleep properly last night also. Yesterday morning till afternoon I'm sleeping. That's why at night I'm struggling to sleep. See? Nanay asking me to go back today. Because all the name in the board, they are all new. They need somebody to guide them, to teach what they need to do for tatay today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna duty 12 hours or 24 hours. But all my card is full already. But my hour is not yet finished, the 300 hours. See? My hairstyle wet, that's why I won't be able to put ponytail. Good morning everyone and happy Monday. Today is first day of school in office. And this week is my last week of local leave. By next week I already have work. I cannot go to the training weekdays. Only Saturday my time for training if I already have work. Because the 1 month, my 1 month leave is finished this week. I don't know how to renew my UWA in the Abu Dhabi Philippine Embassy. Need appointment, but they don't have available appointment this September. It's already month of October and I already have worked that time. And when I go to Dubai, I don't have money for the transportation going to Dubai. That's why I need to think if I'm gonna ask my relatives in the Philippines to pay. I just send the money.